Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Moneymaker Zero. So let me show you something. Okay, so you just have to go to this website and do this stuff. Okay, so all I'm doing is that coloring this video just like this, and I'm gonna make money with this website. Okay, now let me show you how you are gonna do this, and I will show you the entire strategy with which you can make money just by doing this simple stuff. Okay, so welcome to my channel Moneymaker 001. In this video I'm gonna show you this interesting strategy that can make you $100 every single day of PayPal money directly coming to your PayPal, and from PayPal it will come into your bank account, and after it comes to your bank account you can spend it on whatever you like, whatever you love, and this can make you a lot more money just working 5 minutes a day. Okay, so now let's get started and I will show you the entire strategy. And one more thing, I'm gonna show you something which is the bonus in the end of the video. If you just apply this bonus, then you are gonna make double amount of money with this strategy, and that's the reason why I'm gonna tell you that watch this video till the end and don't miss even a single second of this video, because if you're gonna miss a single second of this video, then it would be very difficult for you to make money with this strategy. So now let's get into the content without wasting any of your time. This website is known as colorize.com. Algoritmia.com. Okay, so colorized photo, I will give the website link in the description. Okay, it is known as Algoritmia, Algorithmia. Okay, if I'm not pronouncing it properly, don't mind that. Okay, so now you can upload any of the image over here, black and white image, and you can just make it a colorized image with this. Okay, and then you can download this image over here, and you can see that there is this download button over here. Okay, so now many of the people are paying you. Okay, yes, people will pay you for registering their black and white photos, for coloring their black and white photos, and this can make you a lot of money, and many of the people are providing this services and making a lot of money. Okay, so now let me show you how people are making money with this strategy. Okay, and in the end of the video I'm gonna show you something with which you can double your income, and that's the reason why you should watch this video till the end. But don't skip this video, because you will miss a lot of things, and if you miss a lot of things you may not make any money. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so the first website on which you can provide this type of service is known as fiverr.com. Now go to fiverr.com and you can make gigs just like this. Okay, so these people are providing this service over here. Okay, and in the end of the video I'm going to show you how you can rank your gig on the first page of Fiverr, as well as drive more traffic to your Fiverr gig. Okay, so now just stay tuned with this strategy. Okay, so all these people are just providing this type of service. Okay, so you can also provide this type of awesome service on fiverr.com, and you can see these people are charging money. Okay, this guy is charging $5, he's charging $15, this guy is charging $30 just for it. Okay, this guy, so you can also provide this service on Fiverr. Okay, and you can charge as low as $5. Okay, now just start by providing these services with $5, and then as you get more and more orders, just go on increasing your price. Okay, and you can get more and more, and you can earn more money with this. Okay, so this is really interesting. Okay, these people are providing just this simple services and making a lot of money. Okay, so this is the first step which you are gonna take. You are gonna go to Fiverr and just become a seller over it, and you are going to provide this service over here. Now let me show you another website. Okay, now many other people know that Fiverr has a lot of competition. You can see there are almost 3,000 people, 4,000 people who are providing this service, and that's the reason why there is less chance for you to get orders on Fiverr quickly. It may take some time, but I'm gonna show you another website which has a really low competition as compared to Fiverr, and you can get orders really soon. Okay, so the second website where you can provide this type of service is called peopleperhour.com. Okay, now just go to this website and you can see people are providing this type of service. You can see this guy is charging $15 for this, and he has sold this gig for 17 times. Okay, so these people are really just you can see there are a lot less people over here providing this type of service, and that's the reason why you can make a lot more money on this website. And you can see not all are providing that particular service of restoring photos. These are some random services which we don't want to do that, but you can see that now you can see this guy. Okay, they are offering the services on this website, and you can make a lot of money just by doing this really simple random stuff. Okay, and I also want to tell you that you should go and create a gig on this website, peopleperhour.com. And as less people are providing this service on this platform, you can charge up to $20 over here. Okay, so if you even get $1 per day, then also you are gonna make $20 every single day simultaneously with this website. Okay, in the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how you can drive more traffic to your gigs on Fiverr, on People Per Hour, and one more website which I'm going to show you, which has really low competition, so don't worry about that. Now the another website where you can create this type of thing is Quick and Gigs. Now let's search for such service. Okay, photo color, let's search for this type of service. Is any guy providing this type of service over here on this website? I don't think so many guys are providing this type of service on this website. Okay, so now so you can see not a single person is providing this type of service on this website. This is also one of the best freelancer marketplaces, so you can be the first one to provide this service over here or on Quick and Gigs, and you have a really big chance of being the first person on this website to provide the services. And this means that you can rank first on the first page. And what does ranking on the first page means? You get the maximum orders and you get a chance to earn maximum money. Okay, so that's really something which is great, and this is what I want to tell you. No affiliate guru is gonna tell you all this secret stuff. Okay, because I just want you to make more money, even more money than I am making today. I just want you to make money, and that's the reason why I am revealing to you all these secrets which affiliate gurus will never tell you, okay, in their lifetime. Okay, they will try to sell you expensive courses and all that stuff, but they literally don't provide this type of information really soon. And that's the reason why I'm gonna show you all these things. Okay, so you can just be the first person on this website and create a gig for this, and you may get orders from this websites, as you will be the sole person who is providing this service on this website. And Quick and Gigs is a really great marketplace which is really going to grow in the next upcoming year or couple of years. Okay, so this is a new platform, and that's the reason why there is low competition on this platform, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, this is really interesting, and really this can make you a lot of money. Now it's time for bonus, and I'm going to show you how you can drive extra traffic to your gigs. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is that you can create a page just like this. Now whatever photos you have just colorized, now you can post before and after photos of that. Okay, so just place the half of photo, half black and white photo over here and half colored photo over here, and you can place this type of photo, upload this to an Instagram account, and you can create an Instagram account just like this. Just replicate this guy's account. Okay, and you can see he has uploaded a lot of photos over here. And if you are able to do this, then you can see just, and also use proper relevant hashtags. You can see this guy has used this type of all those hashtags. Okay, so use proper relevant hashtags and start uploading content on this type of websites. Okay, and if you start uploading content on this type of websites, you can see this before and after photos and all this stuff. So if you start uploading content on Instagram, a lot of people are going to engage with your Instagram account. Okay, and when a lot of people are going to engage with your Instagram account, you are going to make a lot more money. And this is my own Instagram account, money 001 money maker. You can also follow this account, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me DM me directly on my Instagram ID, which is moneymaker001, and you can ask. I will try to reply all the questions which you have asked, and I will try to solve all the problems which you have regarding to make money online and affiliate marketing and all that interesting stuff. Okay, so you can contact me over here, and due to this you can also just do all this simple stuff and make a lot more money. Okay, so this is something which I wanted to show you. This is something I wanted to show you because I know that this is really a great opportunity and you can make a lot of money with this strategy. Okay, so if you got some awesome value out of this video, just press the like button as hard as possible. Okay, as well as the subscribe button and the bell icon which will appear next to it, and that could be the one of the best thing which you have done, because you can find a lot of strategies on my channel that can practically make you a lot of money. Yeah, all this strategy can make you a lot of money in 2020 and after 2020. So don't worry, whatever methods I show on my channel are really long-term methods, and you can make money for the next 10 years utilizing this methods. Okay, so I was able to quit my 9 to 5 job just by starting an online business. I want this to happen to you. I don't want to you to work in a 9 to 5 job, because I know that's a boring life, and this is a really interesting life for me, because I can spend quality time with my family. I can live a life of freedom. I can travel anywhere I want. Okay, all this because I started an online business, and I want you to do this stuff and really make some money. I have listed one of the tools which I use on my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel, you can check out that tool. That would be in the description. And if you are really liking my content, just write down in the comment section that I'm gonna take action, and I will be happy to see that. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.